Alright, good morning, outdoorsmen. Here on my farm, my favorite son, and we've already seen a brood of ducklings. We're here to start to get this water open. I'll show you here in just a second. We need to get some repair work done, so we're trying to get some water off, get some batteries into the trail cam so we can see what's going on. So let's get outdoors. All right, here you can see the continued damage that we have from the beavers. They had dug this through. You can see that I tried to patch it and they redug it open, and they, at this point, even put in another dam. It's a little hard to see. There you can see it a little better. They dammed this up to keep water from flowing out. So I had a local trapper go ahead and take care of some of them, but looks like we got more back in. Let's keep moving. Got a nice thick stand of cattails coming up. And here you can even see we have water. We even have, with the wind, you may not be able to hear them, but definitely had some deer off in the distance too. As you look through the trees there, just at another deer run, you can see how close the water comes to the edge here. My goal is to go ahead and get some of this water starting off so that we can get the repair team in here and use NRCS funding to get everything repaired so that we are ready to hunt here in the fall. Let's see if we can't get this space dug open down here. As I walk down another path here, it's almost made like a tunnel that we can walk through. We got one of the cameras, we believe, fixed. My son's gonna double check it, and then he'll meet me as I'm going to put batteries into the next camera. All right, getting ready to come out of the space where it's pretty well tree covered for the path. Mr. Woodpecker. Back into the open space. And here in just a second, I'll be able to show you the bottom of the impound that I have here. Choose it a little bit. I'll come around here and be able to show you a little better. Here you can see it much better. Out there you can see a mama wood duck with some chicks. And up a little further there, looks like it might be a mama goose with some goslings. So a great place to have my habitat be used to support production in the upcoming years. Waterfowl. We're a little closer, but the geese have moved further off. But it looks like it's 2, 3, 4, 5. May even be a couple more lambing. So maybe 8 or 9 goslings with the parents. Well, we have it pretty well dug out. We just need to clean it out here, and then we'll get to the end and try to start getting some water flowing out of here. She goes. Oh, okay, thank you. Do you want this shovel or are you good with that one? Well, we definitely have water flowing. See how much we can get off before beavers show up and dam it back up. Oh, wood duck hen left her chick. It's getting her along there pretty good. It'll be fine. Mama didn't go far. Coming out to our kind of large field area, I guess you'd call it. This is a place that we have to mow every year. And I'll be back here in July to get that taken care of, as well as to finish building a couple of my blinds. A little hard to see. Try to zoom in a little bit. Looks like we might have a snowy egret rookery starting there. That's really cool to see as well. Not sure how we missed that on the way around. All right, everyone. Got my old buddy Matt there, and we are wrapping up today's episode. Definitely got water moving, as you saw. It's middle of May, and I won't be back until late June, but hopefully, actually probably middle of July. Hopefully in June or early July, we'll be able to get a contractor here on the property to get us started on the work. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, get outdoors.